Hey, I would like to walk you through the virtual gallery walk. So you are going to fill out this form. It is linked on my overview page. You're going to fill it out 5 times for 5 different groups. Okay, so please keep that in mind. You need to submit this 5 times to get full credit. I put that on here as well. You're going to review the criteria of what makes a good informational piece. So you'll see all of those things there that we have discussed before. And then you should be able to see the results when people start taking this. So maybe give you some good ideas on words that you can use for feedback. But then also, if you could be mindful of which groups haven't received a lot of feedback, to look at theirs. So when we're in school, this is a lot easier to organize to make sure 5 or 6 groups get to every group. A little harder, and so I'm asking you guys to do your part in that, making sure that people have an equal number of feedbacks. So you're gonna put your last name, your first name. That's gonna be how we grade you because we're gonna look that you've done this 5 times. And then this next question is multiple choice. And so you will say which group you are giving feedback to. I think they are all listed. If you find a group that's not listed on here, please let me know. And then do they have 5 statistics or facts about childhood literacy? Yes or no? And then you can give them some feedback. Maybe this would be a place if they gave a statistic that was negative, like a third of the people who can't read are going to go to jail or whatever. Like that's not what we're going for. So give them feedback if you see things like that. And then there's the 5 strategies to help the parents with their kids reading. And then you can give them some feedback on that, like, hey, you only had 3, or 3 of them sounded the same, or whatever. Please give feedback. Did they tell about our team CSA 8? Did they use transformations in their design? So remember, that's what we've been doing in math. So did they translate something, reflect something, or rotate something, or dilate something in their design? And then you can give them feedbacks. Do you see APA references or a working QR code? And then you can give them any feedback on that, and then any other feedback that you would like. So this is going to take a while, which is why it's the entire time of my class is to do the virtual gallery walk. So there's that. Now let's navigate the website. Well, where's the website? Okay, so here's the website. And when you come, it'll be here at the home, and you will see all of the different charities up here, and then you'll see the drop-down box for more. You need to go to 5 different groups. I would appreciate if some of your feedback was for groups that are going to the same charity as you and some aren't. But so many people haven't completed this assignment yet that may be difficult. And so I'm not going to be picky on that. Just choose 5 different groups. Yours does not count. Don't give yourself feedback. You should have already done that. So when you go here, you'll notice if you click on Advocates for Children or any of the charities, you have a homepage. Now, some people put their informational pieces on the homepage. Some people didn't. So you just kind of have to click around. There's more than 5 on here, so it'll be easy for you to find. You can click on a group. Theirs will pop up. You can click this little button right here to make it bigger on your screen so you can read it better. And then you can see what all that they've got, look at it, and then use your Google form to give feedback on them. So keep this open the Google form in a different tab so you can go back and forth. Some groups, I think if we look at FFY, some groups put their informational piece, their rough draft, on that charity's homepage. That's not a problem. You can still see it. And so if you're FFY and looking at Keenan's groups, you can see it. It's small, so yet you can make it bigger to see the whole thing. But then other groups put it inside theirs. So if you click on theirs, you'll see their information. Again, you can click it to make it bigger. And again, don't forget there's the drop-down menu, so you can see the different groups for the different charities. And again, you'll just kind of go through, you'll find ones that you want to look at, and you're giving feedback to 5 different groups. You have to fill out the form 5 different times. We will be checking for 5 different form fill outs and feedback. Okay, so please let me know if you have any questions, and I would love to help. Thanks.